Yes, the new and improved model. Every couple years, like I say, they'll come out with different carpet cleaners at the store. And do these clean as well as the ones that you can rent? Oh, I don't know. Probably pretty close to it. They're not going to be like a commercial cleaning, like if you pay someone to come out to your house, but man, I'm sure it will do the trick. You got to try one of these. And I may have to read the directions. I'm not sure yet. Wow, this is slick. It looks like it just might just snap right on there. That's it. I think that's all there is to it. It's like a friction fed or something. And here's the little handle here. It probably hooks in here somehow. Ah, okay. Let's see. There we go. Just like that. And I'm about ready to rock and roll. And the thing I like about this too, some of them don't carry them, but this one does. I can figure out how to open this thing here. Oh, it's a snap. Okay. It gives you the tools here to do upholstery. See, it's got the little attachment here, and it's got a cutesy little thing for your upholstery. I mean, it'll do for small things and small steps and stuff. If you got any questions, you can read the directions. And in fact, look at this. This came right up, and I'm sure this comes. I'm going to have to put some screws in here. In fact, I see where there's 2 screw holes right there because I saw a little package earlier with screws. So there's just 2 screws. That's it on installing this. You know, put 2 screws in there and I'm ready to rock and roll. And you know, you could spend some time figuring out how to get this all hooked up. This was just going to be a quick and dirty video on having you think about maybe getting a carpet cleaner such as this for your house, for your condo, for your apartment. You know, that way you can start cleaning stuff on your own. You don't have to worry about the management company having to beg them to come out to clean something for you when it was your fault to begin with, or a guest of yours or something like that. $164 before tax. This is the Turbo Scrub from Hoover. I'm anxious to try this out. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos